We are in San Ignacio.
Yes. The Oasis in the desert?
Yeah, we stayed at a campground this time right along the river, which is so quiet. So always a great quiet time here in San Ignacio.
We're Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
After crossing the border into Mexico, traveling almost 2 days, going through 3 checkpoints, we have arrived in San Ignacio. Be simple.
Yep.
We are almost to San Ignacio. Look at that.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive.
How was today's driving, Rich?
Today's drive wasn't so bad, except for a million potholes. This trip was a lot worse than the last few.
Rich, the pan store is open, and I think they have tortillas. Should we see what they have?
Yes. They're never open.
They're never open when we're here. You got some old fans there, Rich. Tortillas?
Tortillas? See? The guy walked out here was the guy that Circus did.
Oh, I'm sure he did. Rich, we found out that the restaurant we ate at over here that first time is no longer.
They can't find the guy.
But there might be a restaurant down the road that's good.
That she says is
it's good.
even better.
And then the pawn place opened. What did we get?
We got some tortillas. We got some date
empanadas and some
bananas.
really ripe bananas. So always a great quiet time here in San Ignacio.
San Ignacio is
and
beautiful.
We met more people that watch our videos.
It's funny.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Off the motorcycle. What? Right?
The hardware store is right here where the wheelbarrow is.
Oh, there you go.
Remember somebody asked you where's the hardware store?
Yes.
It's right there.
Because he was trying to tie down the back end of his motorhome that was lifting away.
Oh, that's right. With tie downs. Do you think they had those stronger tie downs there? Such a cute, quaint town, Rich.
It is. It is beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, are they getting ready for the hot dogs? Cows in the trailer, though, at least, and out the back of the pickup.
Yeah.
After exploring the nearly 200-year-old mission, we headed to the hot dog cart. And then we headed to our campsite for the night. And the trailer with the cow?
Yep.
Cow's gone.
Got rid of the cow.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Here.
How's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Good. Looking for camping?
Yeah. Do you have anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure if we can squeeze you into the water, but we definitely have something up in the palms.
Is that all right?
It's all right.
I got the bar. How much? What's that?
I don't know, Rich. I can't tell. Ice, water, something else.
Okay.
Left. Swing out, because you got to get in there, and then you got to swing around that tree.
Yeah, I think I'm clearing the
I'm gonna get out.
Okay, and then you want me to back?
Yes. Crank it over
So
here.
probably should have just
Okay. Now,
went in here and then backed out.
well, you're fine now. Stop. And then I want to see.
I think we're at a slant here.
Yeah,
but-
we were at a slant the whole time, but it looked
Do you want me to back up a little bit again?
fine over here. There you go. Yep. Now crank it down. Since the campground had kayaks to use for us, we didn't have to unpack ours from the van to kayak in the lagoon. Look at the bird. Really tiny paddle. Missing our Oru kayaks.
Uh-huh. Oh, we got to experience different things.
We are in San Ignacio.
Yes. The Oasis in the desert?
Yeah, we stayed at a campground this time right along the river, which is so quiet.
Yes. What's the name of the campsite?
On Google it says Con Chong.
Uh-huh.
With this current, it might be a little hard to get back to the van.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. You'll come pick me up though, right?
Yep. What place is this? Got a little, not a dock, but
Think those are frogs talking to each other, Rich? The frog's trying to get your attention.
trying to get.
Let's see if we can find the frog. I think it's the bird right there, no? Yeah, it's gotta be the bird. Don't think? Let's see. A beach, but I can see it's a wall with a probably dirt, flat dirt. Pretty cool area. Just a hair longer and then we'll turn around. Right to that palm tree right there. Straight ahead. Okay? This is the end.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. And there's just a tiny stream that's covered that you can't get through on the kayak.
Is that tree going down?
Maybe.
That's it? It goes all the way to the ocean.
It probably does in a little stream. Glad we spent more time here in San Ignacio. We've got the little river, the Oasis.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Glad we spent a little more time here in San Ignacio.
Very cool, Robin.
They've got the river and the Oasis.
Yeah, tons and tons of palm trees.
They got the second oldest mission in Baja.
Yep.
They have a museum of the cave paintings. You could take a tour to the real cave paintings, but they have a free museum here to see a replica of the cave paintings. They have whale watch tours from town. They got shops and restaurants.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a nice
Quiet.
center of Baja.
Nice
you know?
quiet center of Baja.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Rich?
Robin, I'm going to check out this wall over here. Trying to figure out what it's for, but... Ow. Wow, check this out, Robin. So, what I think, it's like a little aqueduct. They've built up these two walls, and you can see water level lines on here to transport water somewhere. How cool is that? I mean, they put a lot of work into that. I wonder how far it goes. Well, that is pretty cool. Yeah, it just keeps going. So I wonder if it goes all the way to town. That is very cool. We got to learn more about that. Go somewhere.
It would still be in the channels, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I wonder if they use that for irrigation for something, or... What up, buddy? How you doing? Pretty bird? Hey. I'll leave you alone. You wonder why I boot you. Look at you, how you're driving. You're out of control there, lady.
After a nice morning kayak, it was time to head further south.
Watch out.
You want me to get out?
No, I'm good.
I mean, the palm, at least with palm trees, they don't have branches all the way up and down like a tree.
Thanks, brother man.
Thank you.
See ya soon, probably.
Yeah.
You guys are here till May?
Yeah. I mean, we have one.
Cool.
Okay.
Nice meeting you. Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Electric scooters, 50 pesos for 2 hours. So you can scooter into town, Rich.
That's a cool, good idea.
Uh-huh.
50 pesos. That's not bad at all. For how long? 2 hours?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Robin, the map says we're going north.
When you see friends driving north, but you're headed south,
You gotta spin around.
you gotta turn around to say hi. We haven't seen them for
Forever.
almost 3 months. Headed just past San Rosalia and the Bacons. So turn around, we're headed back.
Bacon Revolution.
Another reason we love Baja, you just see a friend drive in the opposite direction and you both pull over to say hi.
It's so big of a peninsula, what's it called?
A peninsula.
So big of a peninsula, but it's so small because you keep running into people you know.
Or sometimes you just run into people you don't know, but they know you from YouTube
Yeah, right. So
or
it's pretty
Instagram.
cool. Small world.
So back on the road now, and I think we have an hour to Mulahay.
Yes. It's 3.
I think that is. Center, and then you go left. Yeah, could have done that too, but then we wouldn't have got through town. Or the taco shop right there. Mulahay, another oasis in the desert, Rich.
Mulahay is special notes.
We enjoy
We
Mulahay.
have some really good friends here.
There's a horse down there. Another reason why we love Baja is the connections we've made with locals down here, especially down in Mulahay.
Yes. There's some very special people that are down here that
They share their culture with us.
and share their life with us.
Yeah.
And so it's just been nice. They're not in it for the buck or anything. They're in it for relationships, and it's pretty cool.
Join us in our next video as we head to our favorite spot in Baja Sur, Bahia Conception. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, hit the like button. Subscribe to follow along on our adventures in and out
Of our midlife van. Adios, amigos.